Sip and shop your way through the season at this intimate tasting room off the beaten path here at Chronicle Wines in Peconic. This tasting room lounge is a hidden gem on the North Fork with a cozy ambiance that makes you feel right at home.
We founded Chronicle Wines 7 years ago after several years being colleagues in the industry. And we set up our tasting room here to be more like our living room, where wine is educational, it's fun, and approachable and inclusive.
Chronicle Wines isn't just a place, it's also one of our brands, which we release to our wine club exclusively. Allie also has her signature line, which is As If Wines. My personal brand is Saltbird Cellars. And then together we collaborate on Kinet, which are wine spritzers, which are meant to be fun and easy and just perfect for on the go.
There's also a separate retail space where you can browse all the different variety of wines and ask any questions to make your bottle or case purchase. They also use this room to host several events throughout the year.
East End Arts uses us as one of their satellite galleries, so this is all local artists that we feature and they rotate seasonally. We have a chef series that features local chefs that predominantly use local ingredients, local seafood. We have our soup bowl nights coming up, which are going to be featuring 1610 sourdough. And we try to keep it all, focused around the art, the food, the wine.
Chronicle Wines is a place for connecting and storytelling, where you can enjoy educational tastings and take part in community events, all while supporting a small business. For Discover Long Island, I'm Brianna McEnroe.